notice I'm not being brand specific. You can use your favorite grocery store. You can use the most expensive. You can probably use the least expensive, Papa Don. Sure. What you want to do is you want to start out with a tablespoon of brown sugar. And I'm talking about 3 of those big dogs. You want 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ground black pepper. And I tell you what, it works better if you have the peppercorns and an actual grinder, because you're going to get that fresh ground pepper in there. A tablespoon of salt, and I always try to say I like the gourmet kosher salt. It's a little bit bigger. Sea salt if you think that's what you need. A tablespoon of chili powder. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Not garlic salt, but garlic powder. A tablespoon of onion powder. A tablespoon of red pepper flakes, like I talked about last week. The same kind you get at any Pizza Hut or whatever. And I'm not telling you to take one of theirs home. They sell pizza at these local supermarkets. And then cayenne pepper, tablespoon dried thyme, tablespoon of ground sage, and then this is a key thing. You want to rub safflower oil on the ribs or anything else you're going to do before putting on the rub, right? So you want to make sure you have safflower. Yeah, and that's safflower. safflower. Saff and then flour. And there's a particular reason because of the flavor that's on it. But that is what is in a Kansas City rub. You basically get the brown sugar. If you notice, if you think back to the spicy rub, if you change the coriander and cilantro for the brown sugar and the onion powder, you'd have the same mix. So there's some very slight variances, but what it does, Papa Don, it just creates an entire different flavor profile.
Well, you know, this is just one rub from the Kansas City rubs that somebody sent in. I've been down to Kansas City time in and time out over the years, love their food, and I tell you what, if you ever go to a place, if you're lucky enough.
You're starting off with here is more chili powder. So you're talking 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now, 2 tablespoons of ham-flavored base or bouillon, and you can get this at a meat locker. A lot of times you can get it at your favorite over-the-counter deli. And sometimes you can have it just right by the chicken and beef bouillon cubes type thing. But right by the meat. Yeah, ham-flavored base. And then the big dog in this one is 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of smoked salt. Now remember with the Bradley smoker, you can smoke your own salt. Take your regular salt, put it in I like to call it a brownie pan, a tin one, and let it come through there and let it smoke. Smoke your own salt. It'll turn a little bit of brown, and that's the way it's supposed to be. Now you can buy smoked salt. I just think it's commercial. It tastes kind of chemically to me, like they've chemically changed it with smoked flavoring. But so smoke your own salt, and then 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, black pepper, and then you're going to want to use only a half a teaspoon of ground sage. And I tell you what, just that smoked salt and that salty ham-flavored base bouillon, unbelievable, so good. So, and you can change this around. What I'd like to do is I'd like to have anybody that has the time, that's the key thing these days, having the time, get some old baby food jars, get some regular jars, whatever, put all these spices in there and experiment with your own. That's how I came up with my basic. That's how everybody gets it. Here's the Good Time Boys poultry to us. They upland burger, wild turkey, pheasant, sage, grouse, whatever, chucker, chicken. I mean, whatever it is, it's what it is. Very simple. It's a 1/4 cup kosher salt, a 1/4 cup ground black pepper, and a 1/4 of a cup of regular table salt, seasoning salt, like a Lowry's brand. It's usually red in color, a flavor enhancer, if you will. And then nutmeg. Nutmeg is one of those things you add to poultry. It's just kind of a staple around around the ranch and the lodge here. But that nutmeg really gives it a unique flavor. And now my wife hates it. She thinks it tastes like cookies. I know that. I don't get it. But everybody's got their own taste buds. But that is a poultry rub that works out well. And don't worry about the consistency. Like the Kansas City rub with all the different the red peppers that are ground up, the dried peppers. It's more of a chunky type if you look at the poultry. But it's very, very simple. What you do is it takes about probably 20 to 30 minutes to make it. And then about another 20 to 30 minutes. You're looking at a good hour before this is on the table. It serves about 8. What it is you want to use unsalted butter. You want to have some chopped onions on hand. And you can use the dried variety that are in the container. They work just fine. You're going to need salt, black pepper, and thyme, dried sage, and then you're going to use some basic flour, an all-purpose baking flour. And then I like to use the liquid kind of chicken stock. I use about a 32-ounce can. It comes like almost like a plastic carton, like a milk carton. You can buy those anywhere. And then you want to have half that, and you want to have skim milk around. You can use whole milk, but skim milk. breaks down faster, and for this recipe it calls for that. Now you don't want to have cooked chicken already. You don't want to pre-cook the chicken. You can buy it, you can make it. Or the pheasant. Or, I keep saying pheasant because my recipe's interchangeable. Thank you, Baba Don. What we did for this one, we use a whole smoked pheasant, and we use the dark meat, which is pretty much more dark meat in the pheasant than anything, and we did use some of the other meats. We use the leg meat, the breast meat, we use a little bit of everything in there. And you can shred it, or you can cube it. This recipe calls for, cubing it out, but I like to have it all shredded. So use your personal preferences. Now, you use mixed vegetable. I just bought you a local Hy-Vee brand for this one, when I bought the mixed vegetables. And then I actually bought my whole-style biscuits. I just bought one of those big, giant cans of the jumbo biscuits, the 16-ounce can, but you can make drop biscuits, which is basically flour and salt and some water and milk and water, and that's it, because you're going to smother these things. They're going to be soft. They're going to be in the liquid, if you will. But all you do is preheat your oven, 350, in a large saucepan. You melt the butter, you add the chopped onions, the salt, black pepper, thyme, sage, and then you mix your flour to kind of form a paste with that. Now you want to whisk the chicken broth and milk into the mixture. You cook until it's thick and bubbly, but then at that time when it's ready to roll, you're stirring the chicken and frozen vegetables into the thickened, basically I keep saying chicken, but we use smoked pheasant in this recipe, broth. And then you want to just put the biscuits. You've already baked the biscuits, and you pour the stuff all the way around, and you just set the biscuits right down in there. And once you cook your biscuits, they should be a golden brown, obviously. So basically, it's a very quick fix. You just basically blend all this stuff together slowly. Then you take your biscuits, pump it down in a tray, and you put them on there, and then it just soaks right in there. You scoop out one biscuit per person, which you would eat like 5, but you put them in there, and it's a great casserole. Now, I have a picture of it. I did pretty good.